You might want to connect something to your iPhone, but an error pops up. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone accessory may not be supported. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you can do is to check if your iPhone has the latest software version. So to do that, go to the Settings app, and from here, click on General right over here, and click on Software Update right below the About option. Tap on that, and your phone will check for update, and if it opts you to download and install a certain update, just do so by clicking on that option, and this will restart your device, and then you can try to connect that accessory again and see if your problem is fixed. So if that does not work, the next thing that you can do is still on the Settings app. So from here, click on Battery, click on Battery Health, and the second thing you can do rather is to turn off the optimized battery charging, and click on Turn Off and reconnect that accessory again and see if it now works. So if that does not work, the issue might be the accessory that you're trying to connect to your iPhone. So you have to check if it is original, and because only the original accessories can properly work with your iPhone device. So that is how you can basically fix iPhone accessory may not be supported. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.